Huawei is the best phone manufacturer in the world, and every year he releases with amazing features. Huawei Mate 30 Pro mobile is revealed. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. For example, the last smartphone like Huawei Mate 20 and Huawei P30 and P30 Pro is proof that the company was really hard working in these phones. After that, P30 and P30 Pro has really beautiful and amazing features with launched. So the Huawei company at the end of this year will launch new heavy and powerful smartphone Huawei Mate 30 and Huawei Mate 30 Pro. And it's my expectations that new upcoming Huawei Mate 30 Pro smartphone come with have a pentalens camera because Huawei has filled with China National Intellectual Property Administration for a device case with a huge camera cutout that meet a penta camera. The source also reveals some information on the specifications that could accompany the next top of the Chinese company, for example a 6.3-inch Super AMOLED QHD display, resolution 3120x1440 and Android 9 Pie with Emotions UI EMUI 9. To feed this for now imaginary phone, there could be the Kirin 990 with 10/12 GB of RAM and 128/256/512 GB or a 1 TB of storage. Huawei Mate 30 Pro will come to the first 5G smartphone, and this phone will launch in the second half of 2019. In the video you can see a Type-C port at the bottom of the phone and the fingerprint scanner all over the screen. So it won't be important where the user will put his fingers. The device will recognize the fingerprint. Also part this imaginary package is a non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well as the fast charge support, the fast wireless one, and also if necessary reverse. For those who are wondering when the real Mate 30 Pro will arrive, an official of the Chinese company confirmed that it will be launched between September and October and that the company is already testing the device. Now if we see the previous device like Huawei Mate 20 Pro was released on the end months of 2018, so we really expect that the new upcoming Huawei Mate 30 Pro will be released end of the quarter in 2019. And of course this smartphone will be very changed from all Huawei previous devices, and according to the new leaks that this phone will beat all of the smartphone series like Huawei P30 and P30 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e and S10 Plus, etc. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Huawei Mate 30 Pro. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel My Technological World. And stay blessed, peace out, take care, bye bye.